Hello bachcho, let's see the question. In which of the following animals haemocyanin pigment is found? So haemocyanin is a copper containing blue colored pigment. It is found in the plasma and it is a respiratory pigment. So when we say it is respiratory pigment, it means it helps in the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So this copper containing blue colored pigment is called the haemocyanin. So it is found in which of the following groups? So the first is annelids. So annelids are the animals which are having the segmented body. So these are called the segmented worms, and these include earthworms, leech, nereis. So here in the case of annelids, there is the closed circulatory system and the respiratory pigment here is the hemoglobin, which is a red colored pigment, iron containing red colored pigment, or it is also called the erythrocruorin. So erythrocruorin or the hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment in case of annelids, so it is incorrect. Now echinoderms, in echinoderms the respiration occurs by the tube fit. So respiration occurs by tube fit and their circulatory system is open type and parenchymal system is there, and there is no respiratory pigment because here the circulatory fluid does not help in respiration, it only helps in the transportation of other things. So no respiratory pigment is found in case of echinoderms, so it is discarded. Now insects. So insects also do not have respiratory pigment. Insects are the members of phylum Arthropoda. But in case of insects, the blood is colorless and it is called the hemolymph. And it does not help in respiration because no respiratory pigment is there. In insects, the respiration occurs by tracheal system. So no respiration by, or we can say the no respiratory pigment is there. So it is also discarded. But if we see the case of mollusks, then mollusks are having open circulatory system except the cephalopods, and here the respiration occurs, or we can say the transportation of oxygen and CO2 occurs by the blood, and their blood is having the pigment haemocyanin. So in case of mollusk, the blood is having this respiratory pigment, and this respiratory pigment is found dissolved in plasma because there are no RBCs. So the option here, it means the animals with the haemocyanin in their blood is called the mollusk. So option D is the right answer. I hope it is clear. All the best.